Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to check Samsung battery health easily without roots, right? So a lot of people don't know how to check their battery health on Samsung phone. So I'm here to actually teach you with a very easy step right now to do that. So first thing you have to have in mind is you must have the Samsung member app. So how do you check if you have that? Just swipe below your screen and search for member. So this is how the members app look like. And if you don't have this, I'm going to show you how to get that. So all you need to do is go to your Play Store or app. Sorry, this is the Apple Store. Go to your Play Store and search for Samsung members. So if you see the Samsung members just like this, all you need to do is click on install, and it's going to install. Normally it comes with your Samsung phone, right? If you are using a very good Android version, right? So you click on open once that is installed and wait for it to load up. So this is how the members apps look like. So how do you check your battery health? You need to click on diagnose right here. So you have to click on the diagnosis and click on phone diagnostics, and this is how it's going to look like. So it's going to start testing everything on your phone, usually like this when you tap on the phone diagnostics. So all you need to do is just go back and stop diagnosis, because you're not here to actually test all your phone features and buttons, everything on your phone. So you just click on stop diagnostics, and you can see battery status right here. So you just need to click on battery status, and you can see my battery status is normal, life is good, capacity is 5000 mAh typical. So you can decide to test that again to check if it's really correct. So this is my battery life health. You understand, right? If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. See you in my next video. Bye.